Imagine opening up your customer relationship management system, or CRM, and instantly knowing who downloaded your freebie, who attended your last workshop, and who's ready to buy your premium program. That's the power of tagging and segmentation. And once you use it, you'll never look at client management the same way again. I'm Gary Daniel, and if you're a wellness entrepreneur looking to grow a business that truly aligns with your purpose, then you're in the right place. Welcome to today's training. Today we're diving into a powerful strategy that can transform how you connect with your audience. CRM, contact tagging, and list segmentation is so important. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep track of your leads, clients, and followers, this is for you. So let's start with the basics. Tagging means assigning labels to your contacts based on their interest, behaviors, or stage in your business. Segmentation means grouping those contacts into lists so you can send the right message to the right people at the right time. This is crucial. Think of it like organizing your wellness practice. Yoga clients in one folder, nutrition clients in another, and prospects in a third. Let me tell you why this matters. First, you save time by automating personalized communication. You also increase engagement because your messages are relevant. You build trust by showing you understand their needs, and you boost conversions by sending offers to the right people. This is so important. Let's look at a few examples. Example number one, you tag someone as a freebie download, gut health, and later send them a gut health webinar invite. Or number two, you segment your list into active clients, past clients, and leads. Each group gets a different email sequence. Example number three, you tag contacts by interests like mindset, nutrition, or stress relief, and send tailored content to each. So here's your action steps. Create a doc with your tagging structure and best practices. Start tagging your contacts based on how they joined your list and what they're interested in. Then segment your list so you can send targeted messages that feel personal. And if you want to make this even easier, check out our free AI-powered wellness business starter kit at purposetoprofit.org. Links in the description. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your purpose-driven wellness business. And remember, clarity creates connection. So let's make your message matter. Until next time, take care.